Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's cool in Chicago this morning, but at least the sun's out. Over the next 2 weeks, we're going to see continued normal to above precip, and temperatures will start out cool. They may try to warm up a little bit, but in general, over the big chunk of the U.S. Midwest, temperatures will be a little bit normal to below normal. As far as the impact it has on crops, I think that the rains that are in the northern plains is helping, but we did see some frosty freeze conditions over that night that might have nipped some of the North Dakota crops. Many people there feel the crops are early enough that they could replant, especially things like canola and spring wheat. The rains down in the southern plains will continue, beginning to add worries about the quality of the hardwood winter wheat protein, and adding some concern about the quality of the soft red winter wheat. Had a lot of numbers out overnight. First of all, U.S. corn plantings are 85% done. The 5-year average is 75. The first ratings that we saw, Illinois, the crop is rated 82% good to excellent versus 62 last year. Soybean plantings jumped 14% to 45% done versus 36 average. Winter wheat crop ratings went up 1 percentage point to 45% good to excellent versus 29 last year. Spring wheat crop is almost done planted. The first crop ratings was 65% good to excellent. North Dakota is 72. Oat plantings are done, and the crop was rated 73% good to excellent. And for the most part, crop topsoil conditions improved across the entire Midwest. Funds yesterday were buyers of 2,000 meal, 4,000 corn, and 6,000 wheat, reducing some of their net short positions. In the cash, you still have nearby beans firm, getting close to delivery values. Also in the corn, you're firming up because of the domestic demand. Still not a lot of export demand out there, and global prices, corn, beans, and wheat are all below U.S. values. So the market's trying to decide whether or not we should take out the support at $9.50 in July beans, whether we should firm up a little bit in the corn market to reflect that, we still have a few acres to plant, and we're just unknown about the weather. And then we'll see just how much more short covering the wheat wants to do. We're concerned about U.S. quality versus the fact there's plenty of wheat in the world and prices are lower than the U.S. Outside markets, the dollar is sharply higher. That could be causing a little bit of weaker tone in the overnight markets. You've got beans down 3, corn down 4, and wheat down 9 cents. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.